Hello, I'm Brian McDonald, Superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District. During the Thanksgiving season, when we traditionally take time to give thanks, I want to express my personal gratitude to the students, employees, families, and community of PUSD. This has been a year that has certainly challenged and tested us and has ultimately made us stronger. First, a big thank you to the students of PUSD. I am continually inspired by your imagination, thoughtfulness, and caring spirit. You are critical thinkers, creative problem solvers, and articulate communicators. I know this year has been hard for you, and I hope to see you back in classrooms learning in person as soon as it's safe to do so. Next, my heartfelt appreciation for the teachers, administrators, and employees for the ingenuity and commitment that you have demonstrated in this extraordinary year. When we were called upon to shift suddenly to online instruction last March due to the pandemic, you immediately began to create a virtual version of the school experience for students and addressed technical connectivity and food service to keep vital systems functioning in new ways. You demonstrated the skills we hope for in our students. The 4 C's: critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. The Board of Education demonstrated our deep appreciation for you in a resolution approved last month. To our parents and guardians, thank you for having faith in Pasadena Unified Schools and for sending us your children. Your children are remarkable. They're curious and imaginative, hardworking, and bring us joy every day. They inspire us to do our very best for them. Thank you for your commitment and all that you do to support their learning at home. Thank you to our community for the unwavering support and opportunities you bring to our students and schools. From volunteers who help at our grab-and-go food centers, to community organizations and partners who came together to support our students and families this year, to voters who approved Measure O, you have stood with us with limitless passion, commitment, and support. On behalf of the Pasadena Unified School District, I wish you a happy Thanksgiving with your loved ones. Stay healthy and stay safe.